Whole class reading is where everyone reads the same book together, and currently in Year 3 we are looking at Dig of the Dump. We're continuing with phonics from Year 2 to ensure all the children have the skills needed to decode. We use points during the day to read our own books for pleasure, and some of the children will read one-to-one with an adult. We use the 5 Derek reading skills, so decoding is being able to say the word out loud. Then with explain, can we explain what the words mean? Can we summarise the story and explain what's going on? Retrieve, can we find information in the text? Interpret, can we use the text in order to have our own thoughts about what might happen or what the characters are thinking and feeling? And then choice, do we understand why the author chose to do certain things, use certain words, create certain settings? This is an example of the sort of work we might do in whole class reading, where we might discuss it all together as a class, or the children might work individually in their books. So here we've got a retrieve question where we can find the answer in the text, and an interpret question where we have to think about what's happening to work out what's going on. In Key Stage 2, we use Accelerated Reader for the children's reading books to take home. So all the children take a quiz which gives them a range of levels that they can choose appropriate books from. So they take a book home from the library to read, and then in school they will take a quiz on the book to check that they have understood everything that was happening. And then at times throughout the year we will take the quizzes again to see whether their levels have changed, and then we'll give them their new levels for them to choose their books from the library. If you're choosing books in a public library, you can use this website to find out what accelerated reader level they would be, or you can look on the next slide for some ideas of great Year 3 books to read.